Very first, let us start with Ohm's law. Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? Ohm's law. Have you come across with Ohm's law? Yes or no? Yes. What is Ohm's law? What does it say about? What is Ohm's law and what does it say about? Anyone? What is Ohm's law formula? V is equal to IR. V proportional to IR. What is V here? What is I? V is equal to potential. Okay. I current. R resistor. Very good. Okay. V by I into R. But whereas in your textbook it is mentioned something like as V by R into I. Pattern unda? Textbook lo undi? V by R into I. Right? Or else V by I into R. Both are same. Both are same. So V by I into R or else V by R into I. V is voltage. V is nothing but voltage. R is resistor and I is current. Right? So now this is known as Ohm's law formula. This is known as Ohm's law formula. And then what is the use of Ohm's law? దీని వల్ల మనకున్నటువంటి ఉపయోగం ఏంటి? Any idea about Ohm's law? Sorry? Temperature. Very good. Next, the use of Ohm's law. దీని వల్ల మనకున్నటువంటి ఉపయోగం ఏంటి? We have a battery. This is a symbol of battery. Minus or plus? Minus. And it is plus. Each and every battery consists of 1.5 volts. Only 1.5 volts. If you connect one more battery, then 3 volts. 1.5 plus 1.5? 3 volts. Okay, let us take with a great practical. Have you seen this cell? Right? And we have one more cell. Okay, this cell consists of 1.5 volts. Right? If you connect it like this, it is called as series connection. Right? Minus connected with plus. It is called as series connection. And if you connect two positives and two negatives, then it is parallel connection. Okay? When you connect these batteries like this, it means in a series connection, then the voltage will be 3 volts. Right? If you connect like this, then it will be only 1.5 volts. The voltage will be only 1.5 volts. Then this cell consists of 1.5 volts and 1000 milliamps of current. 1000 milliamps of current. Voltage and current both are different, or else both are same. Both are different, right? Voltage and as well as current. So in this battery we have 1.5 volts and 1000 milliamps of current. 1000 milliamps. So 1000 milliamps makes 1 amp. 12 bananas makes 1 dozen. Right? In the same way, 1000 grams is equal to 1 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram, 1 kg. In the same way, 1000 milliamps makes 1 amp. 1000 milliamps makes 1 amp. Right? If I connect these two batteries in parallel, then the voltage will be 1.5 volt, but amps will increase here. How many amps will be there? 2000 milliamps. 2000 milliamps. 2000 milliamps is nothing but 2 amps. If I connect it in series, then 3 volts. What does about amps? 1000 amps or 2000 amps? 1000 amps. Okay, these two batteries in parallel, 1.5 volts, 2000 milliamps. Okay. Okay, we have two batteries, right? I'm connecting it with a bulb, right? If you connect directly, now does this light is emitting? No. Why? Because this light requires 2 volts. How many volts? 2 volts. 2 volts. And 20 milliamps of current. 20 milliamps of current. Okay. So we have 1000 milliamps here. In this cell, how many milliamps we have? 1000 milliamps. But how many volts we have? 1.5 volts. How many volts does it require? 2 volts. So we have only 1.5 volts, because of that it is not emitting. If I connect one more battery in series, then the voltage will be 3 volts. How many milliamps we have here? 1000 milliamps. Right? How many milliamps we require here? 20 milliamps. If you connect it directly, then it will get on or it will get burned. It will get burned. Right? Because of that, we are using a resistor here. We are using a resistor. Right? If you connect it like this, then it will glow. Without connecting a resistor, if you connect it directly, then what happens? It will burn. Right? Why? Because we have 1000 milliamps of current and it requires only 20 milliamps of current. Okay. So then what is the use of this resistor? What does the resistor do? Resistor will drop the current. Resistor will drop the current. Right? What is the use of resistor? Resistor drops the current. Right? 3 volts. And our light requires only 2 volts and how many milliamps? 20 milliamps of current. Right? So I am connecting a resistor to the battery and I am connecting one end to the resistor, and now the other end directly to your bulb. It will get glow. Okay. It drops the current. Then how many ohms of resistor you have to use here? How many ohms of resistor you have to use here? We have 1 ohm resistor, 2 ohm resistor, 3 ohm resistors. Are you getting my point? How many ohms of resistor we do use here? 1 ohm resistor, 2 ohm resistor. How many ohms of resistor? Question mark. To find the value of resistor here, we require a formula called Ohm's law, that is V by I into R. Right? So what is V here? Voltage. How many volts we have? 3 volts. Let us write down here, right? Voltage is equal to 3. Then how many milliamps of current will? 20 milliamps. Right? So milliamps is nothing but that is current. Right? Current is denoted by I. So we have I here. So what is I value? 20 milliamps. 20 milliamps. Then what is the value of R? What is the value of R? We doesn't know. Right? To find the R value, we require this formula. And this formula is said by ohms. The scientist ohms. Right? So the formula will be R is equal to V by I. V by I. So now R is equal to, what is V value? 3 divided by 20 milliamps. Right? How many milliamps here? You have 20 milliamps. So now these milliamps should be converted into amps. Why? Because I value will be in amps, not in a milliamps. So to convert these milliamps into amps, what we have to do? Just simply divide this 20 with the 1000. Why we are dividing it with 1000? Because 1000 milliamps makes 1 amp. 1000 milliamps makes 1 amp. So then if you divide it, then the value will be 0.02. 0.02. If you have a calculator, you can calculate it very fast. Right? How much value you got? 0.0. So then 20 milliamps and 0.02 amps, both are same or not? Both are same? 20 milliamps and 0.02 amps, both are same. So now the value what we have to write here is 0.02 instead of 20 milliamps. Why we are writing 0.02? Because we have to convert this 20 milliamps into amps. Right? The amps value is 0.02 amps. Very. So R value is right. So how much ohms of resistor you have to use here? 150 ohms. 150 ohms of resistor you have to use here. And this symbol is ohm symbol. Right? So whereas in this formula, if you know any two values, then you can find the third value. Right? So if you know voltage and resistor, you can find out the I value. Right? Let us find the I value now. Let us find the I value with the same circuit. V by I into R. This is our formula. So to know the I value, I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. So now I is equal to, what is V value? 3 divided by, and R value is 150. If you divide it, then the value is, what is the value? 0.02. 0.02. So the same value what we got here. Again, if you convert this 0.02 milliamps into amps, then the answer will be same. Right? So it is in amps. 0.02 in amps. If you convert these amps into milliamps, then again we will be getting 20 milliamps. Right? So what is the use of Ohm's law? What is the use of Ohm's law? What is the use of Ohm's law? We can find the I value when you know remaining two values. You can find the R value when you know the remaining two values. Even you can find V value also. You can find V value. Let us find V value now. I into R. So V is equal to I into R. So V is equal to, what is I value now? What is I value now? 0.02 into R. What is R value now? 150. Then V value is? Make your calculation. Obviously it should be 3. Have you got the answer? Then it is 3 volts. Then it is